If you want to remove all effects in CapCut, the good news is that it's actually a very simple process once you know where the effects are stored. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods: the fastest way to delete effects from your timeline in bulk, and the manual way to remove effects that are embedded inside a video clip. So whether you accidentally added too many effects, want to clean up your project, or just need to start fresh, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and safely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the fastest method. If you dragged effects directly from the effects menu onto your timeline, CapCut usually places them as separate colored blocks on tracks above your main video clips. These are the easiest effects to remove because they are not hidden inside the clip itself. To begin, zoom out of your timeline so you can see more of your project at once. You can do this by clicking and dragging the zoom slider in the top right area of the timeline. The goal here is to make all of the effect blocks visible on screen so you can select them together. Once you can see the effect layers clearly, click and hold your mouse, then drag a selection box across all of the separate effect blocks that appear on the tracks above your video. Make sure you are only selecting the effects and not your actual video clips. The selected blocks should highlight, which tells you CapCut has recognized them as effect layers. After that, simply press the delete key on your keyboard or backspace if that works better on your system. Instantly, those effects will be removed from the timeline. This is the fastest bulk method if you want to remove multiple effects at once. Now, if you added effects directly onto a video clip, the process is a little different. These effects do not appear as separate blocks on the timeline, so you can't delete them the same way. Instead, you need to remove them through the clip settings. Start by right-clicking the specific video clip in your timeline. In the menu that appears, look for Edit Effects. Depending on your CapCut version, you may see it directly or you may need to hover over it. Click that option and CapCut will open the Details or Effects panel on the right side of the screen. Inside that panel, you should see a list of all the effects that have been applied to that clip. From here, you can either right-click each effect and choose Delete, or click the trash icon next to the effect if CapCut shows one. Do that for every effect you want to remove. If there are several, work through the list one by one until the clip is clean. This is the correct method when the effect is embedded in the clip itself, because deleting the timeline block will not remove it. There is also an alternative way to turn effects off in some versions of CapCut. Select the clip, go to the Video tab in the top right panel, click Basic, and then look for the effect toggle. If you see it, switch it off to disable the effect. This can be useful if you don't want to fully delete the setting right away and would rather just turn it off temporarily. It depends on the version of CapCut you are using, but it's good to know both options. So to recap, if the effect is sitting on a track above the video, select the effect blocks and delete them from the timeline. If the effect is built into the clip, open the clip's effect settings and remove it from the panel. Once you understand the difference, removing all effects in CapCut becomes much easier and much faster. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.